friends, today I want to show you this product that is really practice to maintain clean your house. I'm going to open it with you and let me show you how it works and how it is. This is an electric cleaning brush. Came in this pack. Look at this. First we have this bag that is you can put inside all the accessories of your cleaning brush. Have this user manual, so here you can see all the parts that came with your brush and how to use it. So first we have this sponge. Look, this is soft. This soft like rock, like something like that. Both. You can use it for clean glass when the glass have these little particles of snow. These other two. This is like a sponge, and this is more a little more for heavy duty, I think. Now this brush that is for corners or surface that you can clean easy normally. This one that is like a metallic. This one that you can use for corners too because have this form. And finally these two that have, this is like a Velcro and this is another brush. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different ways to clean your house. Let me show you more products. This is all the accessories that came with your brush. And now, finally, we have the brush. So this is for adjust the large of your pin screwer. You can use it this large, or just this one. So came with this accessory. Let me show you. With this adhesive part that you can put in your wall, and with that you can put your spin screwer in your wall like this. So the final part is this, and the most important, have this button that is to turn it on and turn it off, and this part starts to move in circles. This light let you know how the battery is. And if needs battery, came with this charger, just a cable that has Type-C and USB, and you can use it with any charger. So let's go use some accessories of your spin screwer. So as you can see, our spin screwer is so practical to clean any area of your home and any surface. Another thing that I forgot to mention about our screwer is that have two types of velocity, so you can clean so quick. And now we're gonna put it here, and we're gonna clean with it when we need it again. See you.